In this video, I am going to show you how to add a Google account to your Android device. On your device, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to access the drawer, and click on the Settings app. Scroll down and tap the Password and Accounts. Depending on your device, you can find it as Accounts or User and Accounts. Tap Add Account, which you'll find under Accounts section. The section type, you will see a list of accounts types that you can add. Tap on Google to add a Google account. Next, follow the on-screen instructions to sign into your Google account. You may need to enter your email or phone number, followed by your password. If you have set up two-factor authentication, of course, you will be prompted to complete this step as well. Once signed in, choose what data you want to sync to your device, such as contacts, calendar events, and app data. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.